Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. In front of you, very powerful reminder of the events of yesterday morning. Those of you who were in the trading room, you know quite well. We discussed the entire morning. Shorts are not an option. This is institutional buy zone. The entire morning we remained firm. The entire morning we discussed intelligent trader never ever shorts near. That's it. With the power of the system, you know this. Days, weeks, months in advance. Where to buy, where to sell from. So when this morning I wake up and I come to my incredible students, this is what intelligent traders share. In case you missed the event of yesterday morning, the power of the system to show you where to buy the bottom, the power of the system to show you where to sell the top. I teach everything on futures, but traders trade Forex, but traders trade Bitcoin, but traders trade stocks, options. From Swiss hedge fund manager to beginner trader in Madrid to 14-year-old in London. What does intelligent trader knows this morning? As Richard shared this morning, helping his daughter to buy Apple at the bottom. This is so much better than this. This morning we have multiple obstacles. This morning prices stuck in the middle. This morning we've been stuck the entire 8 hours in nasty chop. There is nothing spectacular about this morning. It's junk. Yesterday was spectacular. On the news, Dow collapsing 1,000 points. On the chart, Dow skyrocketing 600 points. It's the events that repeat itself time and time again that remind you. Turn off the noise. Remember to pay attention to price. And when you do, the sky's the limit. With Alpha Fibonacci System that's based on pure price. Nothing else matters. You respect news due to volatility. But if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet will be Bill Gates. Completely opposite, as you also witness in this trading room every Wednesday after oil news. Identical events of yesterday as during historical events. This morning we remain at support. This morning shorts obliterated again and again and again. This is not the place to short, but this support is nowhere near as good as yesterday morning. And if I would remind you again and again, these were the events of historical markets at 2150. Do you remember March 2020? Do you remember the start of institutional rally? Were you shorting the markets near these levels? Ouch! Not a smart thing to do. Intelligent trader was buying institutional bottom in March 2020. All of this from our trading room. Spectacular, magnificent rally. So is yesterday morning. This morning junk. This morning we remain at key support and you uses hours, days, weeks ahead. But this support is very junky. There are multiple obstacles this morning. Yesterday, breathtaking. Let me convert this chart to 3, to any chart you choose to trade in case you missed. This is the event of this morning. Intelligent trader understands your only option to buy. But again, there is nothing in common between buy this morning versus yesterday morning. Have you short near this level? Or did you buy? Do you understand the power of institutional point of entry? You decide. Time and time again, this is simplicity of the system. This is what we discuss each and every morning in class. So here's the system a couple of hours ago. Drastic, more spectacular than now. This is flawless. This is spectacular. This is not. This is junk. Intelligent trader understands the difference. And that remains the key. And that remains the core. Nowhere to buy, nowhere to enter. As I'm getting paged from Switzerland regarding Bitcoin right now. So if hedge fund manager in Switzerland can trade Bitcoin with the system, so can you. Choice is yours, what you decide to trade. Now is not the time to trade. Now markets is brutal and nasty and vicious. Do you want to pay for your broker's vacations? Do you? If the answer is no, be on sidelines. This is a place to trade. This is flawless. Trade is not on 1 minute chart. I convert the trade to 1 minute chart for the trading room only. This shows you precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. This shows you the importance of knowing reversal zone. This is the market now. It's junk. It's broker's heaven. Broker printing money. Intelligent trader understands. Only when price will crash back down to this level, intelligent trader will become interested. This is vicious and nasty nothing. Brutal, choppy junk. Broker printing money. It doesn't matter what chart you trade. That's it. When the price is here, intelligent trader will not walk away. Every single trade here is extremely aggressive. But this is Alpha Fibonacci support. Let me remind you the power of this level again and again and again. Identical level on Apple 2015. Apple comes out with the worst earnings ever. I presented the top hedge fund convention. What do I say? This support will override junky bearish news. Despite worst earnings in 13 years, Apple doubles in value. The only thing that's left is to break through this level. The only thing that's left to reach next level. The only thing that's left to reach next level. And when this support is out, Apple in free fall. Do you know where to exit Apple? Do you know where to buy Apple? Do you? It's not about S&P. Price remains exactly the same. It's about preservation of capital on every single instrument you choose to trade. Only when you know when not to pull a trigger, you're shifting to drastically higher level. You become intelligent trader. You start thinking and trading as hedge fund manager. Preservation of capital is your number one goal. Yesterday, day trader's dream. This morning is a nightmare. That's it. But it's exact same thing on Bitcoin. Do you know where to buy? Do you? Do you know where to exit your long? Again and again and again. Do you remember the power of the bold pink line? Do you know how to separate junk from power? This was a bullish rally from Bitcoin. Let's walk down memory lane. Let's go back a year ago as S&P remains in junky markets. Here's Bitcoin a year ago, step by step. that reminds you time and time again why my students are my dearest friends for life. Global convention in Miami announced, despite horrific crisis. Is everyone jumping on bandwagon? Or do you know where to exit your long? Tell me. Intelligent trader understands. Global convention or not, this is not the place to buy Bitcoin. This is a place to exit your long. And when Bitcoin moves, step by step, higher out, when the bold pink line is off, this is it. Get ready to exit. Pretty please. This support holding the key on Bitcoin. So when Steve, emergency room doctor in Texas, sending me this email, he's happy, he's ecstatic, he's laughing. Because when he attends medical convention, everyone around him buying Bitcoin at 60. World is full of gamblers. My students do not gamble. They know where to enter. They know where to exit. Do you? That's it. This is strategic, intelligent trading on any instrument. So when Bitcoin collapsing 65%, what do you see? Bold pink line, do you know where to buy? But hold on 1 second. This is exact same thing on S&P this morning. Identical level on any chart you choose to trade. It doesn't matter if it's 5, if it's 15, if it's 20, if it's 30. Any chart. But there are multiple obstacles remain. Play by the rules and the sky's the limit. Price been at this level since yesterday's close. Shorts obliterated. Success rate on shorts near this level is less than 20%. On Bitcoin, flawless spectacular rally. So is on Apple. On S&P is not. Crash and burn to this level, pretty please. Let's look for institutional buy again, no matter what chart you trade. But Bitcoin skyrocketing with power. Breathtaking rally. Did you buy Bitcoin at 30? Do you know where to buy Bitcoin next? Do you know where to exit your position? Or do you call money paper? What kind of trader are you? That's it. Another crash for another 60% of Bitcoin is no surprise. One step at a time. Come down pretty please to 30. Let's go. And even lower. Only when rules are met you can take a trade. And that's how trading becomes fun, no matter what you trade. You are not a gambler. You are not trigger-happy cowboy. You're playing by intelligent rules. That's it. No matter if it's Tesla, if it's Apple, if it's Bitcoin, my students trading them all. Poor Tesla. Oops! Tesla is stuck in brutal, nasty pain. Intelligent trader knows this. It's nasty. That's it. Euro. Crash and burn to historical low. Pretty please. Not the place to buy euro. But again, you knew this many months in advance. It's identical rules on any instrument you choose to trade. So it's gold. That's it. The crash and rally on gold, non-stop. Bold pink line remains a problem. Never forget And when S&P reminding you the most important rule, again and again and again, obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Did we know or did we know that it's not the place to buy? Of course, no speculation, no gambling, only pure intelligent trading. It never, ever, ever gets old. That's it. It's the biggest honor when single mom in Texas, after trying for 12 years, can do this. It's the biggest honor when hedge fund manager bringing his son to me, 14-year-old, killing it on futures, day trading, having fun. His father has no interest in day trading. He's using every single long term. So it doesn't matter if you day trading futures. It doesn't matter if you have $500 account or $500 million account. I look forward working with you. And if you invite me to your wedding, don't be surprised if I show up. My students, my friends for life. I simply ask you to make an effort. And remember forever, your success will come from quality trading. Quality trading comes with institutional power. Did we know or did we know that that's not the place to pull a trigger? Of course. Did we know or did we know that intelligent trader demands the best? Absolutely. And that's how you are tested to the core every single day. And that's the biggest compliment I can ever receive. If mom with 2 little babies at home can do this, so can you. Simply make an effort. That's it. And that's the skies are the limit. When Jennifer's husband Emmanuel brings her to the course, she's trading Nasdaq, she's trading S&P. What is stopping you? She trades only with key levels, with key rules. So please, you can always request invitation to the trading room. Today is the day before FOMC, trader tested to the core. But when you are trading proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system, you become excited about FOMC, and today you take a day off because you are prepared for institutional power, as traders know all over the world. Emmanuel is a man who brought his wife to the course. View movie Ken made about his life, how Richard quadrupled his account, how Theo killing it on Bitcoin and currency. Thousands and thousands of emails later from traders all over the world. View latest webinar and view what Brad has done after making $10 at Best Buy supporting family of 5. Choose from option appropriate for you. Is it lifetime system for any platform? Option 1. Or is it lifetime system for any platform with software for Ninja 8? Group courses, private mentoring includes them all. Private mentoring 4 months. I meet with you one-on-one, but every single option includes video library, modules, trading room, all live classes. I live and breathe what I do. I continue developing new systems. For my graduates, this is the year I will release new ultimate software. And when you trade with ultimate software, you have even more options available to you. So please, view emails I receive, more and more updated every single day. It never gets old. And when my book comes out, you will see how global system traded in New York, in Palm Beach, in Saudi Arabia, in London, in Sydney, in Monte Carlo, in Mexico. You decide what you want to trade. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298. Thank you so much everyone for spectacular morning. As price becoming better and better with the power of the software, with the power of intelligent trading, you are very well prepared.